Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. I think this is a CS-3000 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong guys, let me see. Yeah, 3000, it's right here, type A1. Alright, we got it. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough for them and they want sound. Okay, let's see what we got. On this one I haven't tried anything. Well, I just got it right now. It's still early here. When it's early I don't like to make that much sound. But I'm gonna do the best I can to at least to start it just with a regular gas. You can see it there. I don't know if I say, guys, I'm gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final. Disculpe. Alright, you see it there. See what we can do from here. I guess when I throw the flash, it's gonna be better. It will be come out like, you can see a little better, but you can have an idea what we got going on there. It's missing the here. You got the acceleration, everything looks like. Oh, before I forget, I don't know if this is broke or everything completely is loose or it's missing something there, but I guess. And here's the acceleration. See where we at. Okay, it's working. And you got the cable there. See this one. Okay. Moving. Okay. See what we got here. Oh, I see it broke here. I see it. Alright. You have to change that. You can see inside there a little bit. You have to remember guys, I sell for parts. If you're trying to fix these equipments, these are broken equipments. That's why I sell for parts. Ooh, look at that. You know what is that, right? Looks like they put something it wasn't 100%, like a different type of oil. It's more sticky. Look at that, how dirty is that? Like a black oil, I guess, something. Nasty. Well, if it's oil, no problem. But that's a problem when you put weird stuff inside there, guys. You gotta make sure. Let's see what we got here in the clutch. Alright, we're gonna do one without the I put in my little. Alright, I'm gonna do it without the spark plug, guys, and then I'm gonna put the spark plug, okay? Alright. I'm looking on the angle, let me see if we're good. Okay. Alright. In case the way I do, I always take out the muffler, there you can see that. That's why I don't want to start it out hard because the noise. Alright. The way I do is simple. I set it right here a little bit. Like that, it will open. You can throw a little of the magic liquid inside. In this case, I like to throw a lot. I don't know why I cannot stop every time. Once I start going like that, I cannot stop it. Okay, make sure it's on. Let's give it a shot. Since this is broke, it's gonna be bothering me. Let's put it forward. You know what? I forgot to put a spark plug. Sorry guys, it's Sunday down here in Miami. And it's not an easy day. Still, I haven't drank my coffee. Let's put it that way. Yeah, that would be the best way to say it. I haven't drank my coffee yet. All right, let's hit it. Oh, I see. Looks like a screw went out. That's why I did that. All right, it went down. A little screw. Oh, I see it. Ah. Looks like I didn't do a good job putting it back. Or something's not right. Oh yeah, it is right. I guess it's just, I see, what was it? This right here. I put the screw in the top, and I didn't screw it. Sorry about that. Alright, let's try now. You heard that when he went pop up. Okay, I'm gonna check this spark plug again, just in case. Because he couldn't got, you know, can be wet. If it's not, that means I have to put a little more of the pressure liquid. Oh, look at that. Let me see if you guys looking everything that I'm doing. I think I'm going too far away, right? Let me move it a little over here. I guess it's better. Okay. Alright, let's hit it again. Oh, you got it there, guys. I know it was trying to start. I felt it. Maybe I put too much gas in it. Or maybe she needs more. Let's hit him. Why not? Let's give him one more chance. Oh, I see. Alright. Look at that, baby. Looking for a home, a place to be. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put everything back together. Well, I need this exercise. I feel better now. And you got it there. Okay, I'm gonna put back, throw some pictures. If you like what I'm doing, press like to my video, subscribe to my channel. I don't put commercials. Thank you, guys. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya vieron que la niña está buscando casa. Tenemos una Eco CS-3000. Recuerden que yo vendo para partes. Siempre, si usted es nuevo en mi canal, yo siempre salgo en mofle para enseñarle todo. Trato de ser lo más honesto posible. Disculpe que me haga sin aire. Es domingo aquí en donde estoy en Jalía. Ahí vieron más o menos. Yo cuando tiraron unas buenas fotos antes que lo arme, se va a ver mejor con el flash. Pero ya tienen una idea ya. ¿Ven? Tienen que darle su limpiecita. Eso como está. Ok. Y aquí adelante, bueno, ya vieron que para yo le quito y le voy a tirar unas fotos por ahí también, que siempre es bueno. Aquí tienen partidito esta parte de aquí. Déjenme quitarle un poquito de eso para que no sea tan, no dé mareo. Ese partió aquí. Y ahí les enseñé aquí adentro. Está su filtrico allá de adentro. Como todo, recuerden que todo eso está sucio, hay que limpiar. Y del lado de acá parece que usaron como un aceite oscuro. Sigue siendo aceite, no se asusten, pero se da cuenta que fue como algo oscuro. Ni sé yo qué cosa es eso. A ver. Sí, es aceite. Qué extraño. Pues es denso, no sé explicárselo. ¿Ves? Sticky, denso, se pega enseguida y mancha. Creo que cometieron un error al haberle hecho eso. Bueno, ahí saben, ahí tienen que limpiar eso. Mi gente, no sé qué más decirle. Más o menos ahí, así es como vino. No, aquí no tiene ni el filtrico ni nada. Y vieron el acelerador, por lo menos lo que es la parte de eso está funcionando. Ahí lo pueden ver. Y lo que es la parte de aquí, ¿ves? De la lavadera está funcionando también. Si regresamos aquí para la parte del cloche, eso fue ahora ahí cuando estaba dándole vuelta yo, que recogió el hilo del... Bueno, esto no vino, la parte de aquí no vino, ¿ok? Lo único que vino fue con el handle. Bueno, mi gente, si les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, suscríbanse a mi canal. Gracias, bueno, que viva la raza.